Good morning, everyone. It's 8:32 in the morning. I do not get up at this time like ever in the morning, but today I'm going to be making chocolate croissants for breakfast, and hopefully they're good because maybe I will stop buying them from Starbucks as much. And then Hubby is going to go wake up Nathan, our 3-year-old, and we are getting ready to go play Pokemon Go today. We're going to let Nathan choose if he wants to go out with Mommy first or Daddy, and then we'll switch, and either he'll come with whoever the second time or he'll stay home depending on how he's feeling. So, let's get going. First, we have to preheat the oven to 350. And then, so I misunderstood the recipe. But I'm going this off a little bit. I think I was supposed to get, store-bought, like pastry stuff. That was frozen because it said thawed, and I was like, that's not right. Oh well. Also, the reason that you guys are on a down angle is since this is early in my content creator journey, we have not quite gotten me a tripod, but that is hopefully, we're working on that. So yeah. There we go. So. With some flour on the counter. Never done this before. This is interesting too. I did wash my hands before starting this, so we're good on that. Roll this out. I can find the roll here. I found it. Maybe. Maybe. There it is. So those of you who also play Pokemon Go, and those who don't, today is the Pokemon Go Unova Tour, which is the Gen 5 Pokemon. So like starters, like our Snivy, Tepig, and Oshawott, which when we did a community day back in fall of 2021, we were actually Nathan was actually in the hospital, at that time because I had him at 30 and a half weeks early. He didn't want to sit still, nor did my twins. The twins are 22 weekers, but anyways, we played every month while we were there, and we played every day too, honestly. On our way to from visiting him, because we were like an hour and a half away from home, and so we got to stay at one of the hospitality houses, which was really, really sweet of them to offer us. My husband only worked like an hour and 15 away, so he did have to drive at night, just like he is now. So he did have to go and do that drive every day, and I felt bad. I was working during that time too at the same place he was. That's how we met. So I stayed, obviously, because I was on maternity leave, and he was, and he needed to work for income. And then after that, he became a stay-at-home mom. But, anyways, back to Pokemon Go. Oh, I cracked an egg for the egg wash. I didn't think about placing. Again, when I get a tripod, that's be so much easier. Tablespoon of water, and egg whites. Get a fork, whisk it together. I have a feeling this isn't right. Hold on. Okay, we're good. I was just like, do I need the yolk or not? But yes, I do. So technically, first I should have done this and then the flour, the dough, but that's okay. It has to be perfect, as long as it gets done. Is this so good?
Yeah.
So there's that. Oop. This side. Okay. Okay, now we're going to get some chocolate. So the chocolate chips, I get mini ones. Didn't realize they were mini. So, let me. Oops. Attempt to keep them. In the bag and your measuring cup, but if you don't worry about it. So I'm going to place the chocolate even as I can. In here. Good, I'm sorry. Can't see right now. Because I don't have a tripod, but I'm working on it. But anyways, back to Pokemon Go. So I already got 2 perfect of Oshawott final evolve stage because of that community day when Nathan was first born. So I don't have to worry about doing that. But I have a few other ones I am really looking to get today. So we'll just see how it goes. And those of you wondering, your son's 3. How can you play Pokemon Go? He's a smart little one. And he does have his own phone, but his phone is literally sole purpose is for Pokemon Go and like educational videos for his age. He does not watch YouTube. He does not have his own like YouTube account to watch videos. If he wants to watch a specific video. Good morning. He watches on his mommy and daddy's account. Hi, you.
What are you making?
I'm gonna make those crescent rolls that mommy talked about.
I want to see.
Want to see? Did daddy pick you up? Or, yes, you're making it over here. Oh, sorry, I dropped some. They can't see anything that I'm doing, but that's okay.
See a little bit. You can see a little
Now
bit.
they
You
can.
can see a little bit of rabbit pellets in there.
Haha.
You can see them, but
That'd be so funny.
you can
Let
see
me
'em.
stand.
Just be careful.
Okay. Can you have them a little? Oh no!
They stay on
Can you
air.
pull them a little bit closer? You can have some like that. Open the measuring cup.
Hold still. Hold on to that. I mean.
Two.
Huh?
Good job, Baba. Oh, thank you.
Why you did that?
Go do what?
What are you making?
I'm making crescent rolls. Kind of
These?
like what you and Mommy get from Starbucks. I'm gonna try. Okay? Let's see.
I'm making it more for that.
Oh, thank you. Make it flat.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know.
This like a pancake.
Oh, thank you, then. Sweet of you. Uh-oh. I'm supposed to do with all this excess flour.
Let's throw it away.
Oh, that'll be fine, right?
Yep.
Am I doing this right? Did the wrong way.
I need.
Oh, that's the wrong way, guys. Whoops. That's okay.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.
Then, swim together.
Hey, see. Who do you want to do Pokemon Go with first today? Mama or Dada? Me?
That's
Alright.
good.
Well, I need to wait.
I need to wait.
Yep, we will.
I need to.
You will eat before you and Daddy head out, I promise. Okay?
eat.
Yeah.
I stick it in.
Good job, thank you.
I need to stick the water in.
Yeah.
Just do not stick in.
It's okay. You try and go. Can you really quick try to go potty,
No,
please?
I'm not paddling.
Do you want to wait until we get these in the oven and then you'll try?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right now I need to decorate this.
Yeah. Can you decorate it?
Yeah. What is this for cookies?
Hmm?
What?
Yep, sometimes they're for cookies and sometimes they're for croissants. You can use the chocolate chips for like banana bread, which I have a banana bread recipe too that I haven't used in a while.
But Daddy made banana bread.
Daddy has helped Mommy by making it before, hasn't he? Really sweet of Daddy to help me. Yeah. I thought the last time Mommy made banana bread was for your birthday when Mommy still had bronchosy in her tummy. Is that cool? Yeah, that was the last time I made banana bread, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah.
I decorated.
Good job.
First,
You helping Mommy?
I need to decorate. I need to get all of these decorates.
Yeah. Get the roll up like this. And then run away! Run away! Run away! Chocolate chip. You need chocolate chip.
What one?
You never tried running away. Run away, run away, run away, chocolate chip.
Mine chocolate chips too.
Mm-hmm.
To decorate for. Yeah. Wait, what?
Okay, bud. You want Mommy to help you roll up yours?
No.
Time to roll it up. Roll it up. We'll put it in the oven. You want me to help you?
I decorate mine.
Do you want me to help you? Or do you want me to do it?
You.
Want me to do?
I decorated.
Good job.
You did the one.
Croissants. But he's going to nummy eat. When it is all done. Okay.
My bush is not ready.
Am I able to just put the egg white on the counter, or should I get a plate? Okay. Oh boy. We don't have one of those brushes. What do you think about that?
And it's so little.
Do you mind if I get Alphonse's diaper bag set up to make it right now then?
Yeah. Nathan, do you want to go help Daddy get Alphonse's diaper bag set up for you today, or do you want to help Mommy?
You.
You want to help Mommy? You put flour on you.
Yeah.
Put flour in his hand. It's not going to hurt him. As long as you wash your hands after. So I don't have an egg white brush, so I gotta get one of those too. Just to work for now, I think. Ish. Yes, we will clean off the counter when we're done.
I have one.
So what? Oh. Okay, bud, you're making it messy. Which is fine. Just be careful, okay? Yeah. Not how Mommy had planned.
I need my chocolate and nail. Throw all the way though.
Yeah, hold on. Does this look good, or does it look overly white? Like what? Washed? Wait.
I'm not too sure. Looks fine, I guess.
Okay.
Might as well try to see how it turns out.
Can you do me-
Afterwards.
Can you do me a favor?
What's up?
You need to spray the pan, I forgot. Yeah, buddy.
What you did?
What? How do you do what?
What happening?
I need to put the egg white on. I told you that. Okay? Don't put it in your mouth.
I won't.
Thank you.
I put it into my towel.
Okay. Oh, okay. You're grabbing the flour and putting it in your pile? Okay, that works.
I need all the flowers.
Okay. You know the flour.
What is the one?
I don't know.
What's that one?
Mommy's trying to. Mommy forgot to buy a like a little mini brush for egg for when.
Things like sauces.
Yeah.
White.
To spread on what Mommy's making. So we're doing what we got. Mommy will just wash her hands really good when we're
That's
done.
the way that mine.
Mom's gonna use her hair to do it, buddy.
No.
Like that.
Like what?
Like that.
Yeah, I guess. Like this. Use this egg white up.
You do this.
What?
You need to do that.
Yeah, kinda. Mommy being silly. Now, it's Mommy's first time doing this, so next time I'll know what to do. You know how, hopefully, a egg brush. You playing in it?
I playing. I thought the way you did this.
Yeah. Open to. I don't even know what time it is.
That's the way things is down piece.
Yeah.
That's all. Do. I'm making a circle.
You can.
I don't want my wet.
Yours needs to be ready, otherwise it's not gonna turn out right. Is that okay?
Why? I don't like that. Like,
I'm sorry.
the house bagel.
Yeah.
The bagel. I need this for mine. They need to feel much better.
Okay. Okay. Can I have it, please? Can I please have it? Okay. No. Can I have your croissant?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll use.
Right now, I need to do it with this thing.
Oh, you want to put it in there?
Yeah. Back. Right now, I need to melt it. Oh.
Good job.
That will feel my good.
Yep, yours is good. Just gotta get something white on it.
I don't like that.
I know, buddy. We have to because I have flour over it. So it helps get rid of the flour, but also, yeah.
Flour.
Flour.
I like flour.
Well, there's still some flour inside, but it'll cook. Okay. This one's Nathan's. I'll put it a little bit sideways so we know which one's yours. Okay.
Yours is. That is yours, Mom. That is Daddy's, Mom.
Yeah. And this one's Nathan's? Okay. Wash my hands. my hands. Nathan went with Dad to go wash his little hands from flour. All the flour. Not all of it, but this one. This is what our concert rolls are looking like. Pop them in the oven for about 15-20-ish minutes. I'm always afraid I'm going to burn myself, so I always use the oven vent when I come in the oven, while obviously also taking it out. Okay, about 15-20 minutes. I set it for 20 for now, and we'll see how they look. See you guys in a bit. So Nathan decided he wanted eggs, so Dad's making eggs. Okay, so they're done. I'm pull them out of the oven. Maybe a little overdone.
Hot.
Yes, they are hot.
They're cold too. Wet?
No, they're trying to. Oh, yep. So the croissants, buddy, is bread. So yes, it turned to bread. You be careful, that is hot. Want me to put 12 piece of you?
No, the apple.
Okay. Okay. We'll let these cool down for a couple minutes.
This is that's my baby coffee made.
Beautiful Pepe.
So
Coffee.
Mm-hmm.
Nathan has baby coffee, which is chocolate milk. So he always has coffee with Daddy in the morning.
Last time at the snow.
Really?
But this is what our croissants look like. Maybe a tiny bit more golden brown. And then Dad made eggs. And Nathan's also having an applesauce pouch. So I'm going to give one to each of them.
There's no banana in there.
They're very freaking good.
Chocolate.
And then I'm going to try one. Okay. No. What do you think?
Not bad.
Not bad?
Mm-hmm. Maybe we'll catch them a little bit sooner too. Maybe we'll just follow the instructions on the tube, like you said this time. The bottom overpowers the.
Sorry.
lid.
Yeah, so cook them maybe a little bit less time and probably 13 minutes. And probably add a little bit more chocolate throughout. That's it. So, thank you for joining me and making these, and thank you. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.